Are you tired of using the same search engine every time you search on Chrome? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the default search engine on Google Chrome, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner and click on the three dots to open the Chrome menu. From the menu, click on Settings. This will open your Chrome settings. Now, look at the menu on the left side and click on Search Engine. Under Search Engine, look for the option to change your default search engine. Click Change, and you'll see the available search engines. Now, simply select the one you want to use. Let's make sure it worked. Click on the address bar at the top of Chrome and type something to search. Press Enter, and Chrome should now use your new default search engine. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default search engine on Chrome.